All right, I did get on this little treadmill, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this and trade because this is a little suspect. I'm gonna have to move this up the way. Yeah, this might work. I could do this when I work or something. Oh, yeah, that needs to be. Oh. All right, let me cover this up so y'all don't see me acting crazy. Oh, here. Maybe I'll stay standing up though. Maybe. See how I feel. Really, it's like a standard. Hold on. Where's the price right now? 596. Okay. So remember, left click, 2P, right click, stop loss. Jeez. It's already at my on my levels, but I need to get up there because sellers are at now. Sellers moves. This is what I'm talking about. Sellers done moves from 591. It's only a few there to 595 and 6,000. That's why I don't like using S&P bookmap because they be moving the orders too much. And the ones at 71, it's not 100, 200 anymore. It was like 200 orders there. Now it's only like 63. It's really ridiculous. I think I'm gonna sit down because I've been standing up all day because I had to stupid thing up all day. 2 minutes until market open. Yeah, sit down. A mirror on my desk. We'll say let's see. Make sure I have my live stream chat open. Chat. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Open the chat up. Here we go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Market, we're at 20 seconds for the market. I'm not trying to. So I'm gonna wait and see if we get back up here, and then take a sell from there. See if I can. So I'll take a sell, then it's TP is left with. Well, It was going from I should at least go up to 559.95. So that's where the sellers are up there. I could have took it up to 59.95, but see if it rejects from here. I'm seeing it rejects, then I'm gonna take it up to 59.95. And then PP is left click. CP is left click. So why isn't it showing on here? Okay. And then take profit. I want to put at like 59 on Monday. Good. 59 90. I don't want to, and that is right click. Yeah. Think I did it right. Come on, just going up there to that little piece up there. No, you gotta reject a little bit here, but goodness, not that much. Because there is a lot of orders at 59.95 waiting to get filled. So just go up there and get them. Oh, I gotta do that on here because I want to make sure that. Okay, so you reduce up. Almost up there. Because sometimes it'll get all the way to like your stop, and then that's why I'm getting out. I should end off. Okay. I just ended off because that was a quick little profit right there. And then I really want to take it down. So that's really why I ended that. I made $133 per account. That's only because I'm trading one contract. So if price starts to, did it hit it? Yeah, it did hit that. I should have got in right there. It hit my stop. I mean my area of interest. Okay, so now I want to take it down to 59.88. 59.88. Oh, but first I need to put a stop. This is hard to do on this thing. Okay, I'm at 59.92, and I want to put a stop. I probably should have waited until it came up here a little bit more, because it at 6,000 I have a bunch of orders too. And no, I probably should have waited. Now I'm just like losing the money that I just made. 5992, and it's at 5995 already. Well, I should get out, but I know it's gonna come down as soon as I get out. And why this not doing nothing? It's just stuck on this. And on Bookmap, it is trying to push it down, but it's all the way up at 5997 now. I don't want to lose any more money. I should get out of this and then come back in it. Yeah, I don't already. This is annoying. Because it's going to go above here to 6,000. Let's see if I can get it down some more and then get out of all of these. A little bit more. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, I'm getting out of that because price is going to probably go up to 6,000 before it really retraces. Because that's where all these bookmap orders are, at 6,000. Yeah, I should have waited. I mean, I do have my sellers thing right here, but good morning, good morning. But I should have waited till it got here and at least went over that and then at least knocked that out and then got it in. Because that was just a waste. Because it was sellers right there, but now all the sellers right there really moved. The sellers is at 5,997 and 6,000. Because I'm looking at bookmap orders. In case y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I'm looking at this here. So all the orders is at 6,000 and 5,998. It was a bunch at 5,995 for sales, but now the 5,995 is buys, like 100 buys, but it was sales. That's why sometimes when you use this for S&P, it's too all over the place. Like when you use it in Q, the orders don't move around as much. Just so you know what I'm talking about. So now the sellers are at 6,000. So I should have just like stayed in the buys when I was in the buys earlier. Because those annoying. Because I literally just missed a lot on the buys that I could have just stayed in 36. And I said I was gonna stay in until I get 30 anyway. I wonder if I do my order from here, will it do all 3 orders? I'm gonna look and see. I'm gonna try. If not, it'll do at least this one. 6,000. Now I have like 200 sell orders there. So I'm going to take some sales there. I wonder what some sell orders are on Q. Let's see. Don't you have sell orders? Nowhere. Don't you sell orders? Nowhere to be found. Hmm. Don't you barely have sell orders, so you might be gone. Since you don't have sell orders until 21,875. 21, it's all the way up there. Let's see. This is a little, that's gonna shoot out. That's definitely gonna shoot over that. Let's see. It's only, see, it's only joined this one. No, I don't want him to. Really? Oh, come on. It was doing very well here. Don't do that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push it up, NQ. Push it up. Come on, push it up. Oh, SMH. Push it up, NQ. Don't get. Oh, man. Come on, push them up. Don't let them. Don't let the Bears win. Although I am a bear and I love being getting in here. But come on, push it up. Oh, jeez. About to knock me out for sure. It's like these orders, they like right next to each other. I should have just got out. Come on, push this up. Push this up. It's like they're trying, but the Bears is coming through, man. Come on. Okay, now I see y'all, boys. I see y'all coming through with the orders. Yep, come on. Yep, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now I need to have like stop though. Where am I at? 2170, 2184. Okay, so stop loss is right click. Oh, I have a stop, right? But that's only for one order. I need to stop for all these. And I want to get out at 2189. So I'm gonna buy. So TP is left foot. Okay. Oh, it's doing this again. I'm about to get out of these all this stuff because they what? I didn't want that to go there. That's ridiculous. I don't know how to use this stupid thing. This is driving me crazy right now because I'm trying to learn how to use this stupid thing right here, and I feel like I am not doing a good job learning. And the Bears is about to push this down. It's like almost at the a bear, but so I should probably just get out of this. The Bears is definitely pushing it down. And I'm not supposed to be trading NQ anyway. And the Bears is pushing NQ down. It hit a level at 787. Yeah. I wasn't looking over there. It hit a level at 787 and got pushed right on down. That could have been a good little trade. Oh, you can't hear? Um, uh, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that 954. I should have. That's crazy. So now I gotta wait. Seven 40. One five. This one goes up there and rejects. Dang, I did not pay attention to that. Oh, I was on mute. I was on mute. Crazy. All right, so let's see if price is gonna reject from here or not. It is some order that's 790 or 790. 790 is right here. There's some sell orders right there. So let's see if price goes up to 790 and reject. I'm really not supposed to be trading NQ. I'm really supposed to be trading ES, and I'm not even paying attention here to ES. But there is a lot of sellers at 21,790, and I think I'm going to take sales there, and that is right here. So let's see if you guys have any sellers anywhere. Because I done took a bad trace. Oh, it's a bunch of sellers at 6,000 still. If they could get up there. That's what I've been waiting for, but it's not, they're not going up there. And they at like 99, 6,000. If we could just go ahead and get up there, I will take some price. Well, I need to be probably on NQ. I mean, yes, because I really don't need to be on NQ. Right then. Oops, it's falling already. Okay, I'm not sure, but I don't know. It's so many orders at 6,000, so it's like I want to wait until price get up there, but price is struggling to get up there. Yeah, I was on mute. I don't know how I was on mute. I have lost money today. Now I was up, but lost $300 per night. Price is just like back and forth in this area, and I don't like it. I mean, I guess I could have took a trade in this area, but that's only like 24. It's like just go up to 6,000 and let me get my sales. Almost there. And then I'm gonna take profit at. I don't know where I'm gonna take profit, but it's almost up there. No, I lost 150 probably on the other accounts because I had 2 contracts on this account for some strange, stupid reason. Come on, we almost there. Just go up to 6,000. Price is around 97. I needed to get to 6,000, and I needed to get to 590. Give me 2 seconds. Almost there. what? 14 ticks. That's a lot for ES though. 14 ticks. Come on, come on, come on. Going up there. I mean, it really was playing around at this level. What is this level? One. Oh, that's why. Because this was the high of the day. Like, you already broke the high, but it's just all these orders sitting up here. You gonna get them or not? It's like 200 and something orders up there. Once they go up there and we show some objection, I'm coming down. It is pushing it down a little bit right now too, but because it's a few orders at 98 and 97, but why would price wants to go all the way up and get those 6,000 orders? They don't want to just get these couple little orders, so. Well, I guess it did maybe hit the 795. I just missed so much on NQ. What take my NQ? That's crazy. I could have found that. Too late now. I done missed the whole thing. That's annoying, man. That's very annoying. Because I'm waiting for it to get up there. All those orders still sitting up there at 6,000. Oh, ES. What did ES just, what did NQ push from? 786. Well, there's a bunch of orders up there, but I could have took it back up. Moving now it'll go up to 790. Those orders still sitting at 790. My door is still sitting at 790. By the way, what time is it? 9:53. Is any news today? Let me look. Let me see if there's any news at 10 o'clock. The market is moving so like funny right now. Maybe we're waiting on news because it's not really moving. Like just in the same little area. Today, or 9:45, it was news. And 10 o'clock is news. So maybe it's waiting for 10 o'clock news. So let's see what happens then. News is in a few minutes. But I'm really supposed to be just straight up from straight ES next. Thank you. I'm not gonna stay here. Good morning. Wait, this. I think Price might be waiting for news because it is not moving. It's choppy. Missed that going up, so it's like just sitting. I don't know how I got in the wrong. Kind of like a double top, but mm, the problem is where's the sales orders is all the way up here at 790. So it's like, is the price want to go up there or no? Yes, it's moving. But when it does have like a little range there, but it just broke that. So maybe it wants to go up then. We'll see. I wanted to go up to the sellers so I could get it from up there, but I don't know if it's going to go up there because it's kind of far away. It's 9:58, so we'll see. News is at 10. It's probably gonna spike up. And I'm gonna be clear out all this. A lot of equal lows right here. That price should want to clear out as well. Could have got in if I would have maybe had this here and watched it. Hit that. We got this little bit right here. At 64, that would have been nice. But right now, price is like in the middle of a range, so I'm not trading in the middle of a range. This is like a low resistance, but it's on 15-second chart, so it's not really a good. I mean, it can be a good resistance for a small trade, but you want something bigger. All right, so 15 seconds news. What is going to do? Something big because it's just sitting. It's probably about to drop right here. If I knew how to do this stupid thing over here right, I would just go ahead and get in. See, I know it. I knew it. I told y'all it was about to drop. I just knew it. I knew it. I knew it. That's why. But I couldn't. But I don't have my take profit and stuff set up here because I'm trying to use this stupid dome. I knew it was about to drop. I knew it. I said as soon as news come out, it's about to drop. We'll see what then. I'm gonna have to wait a few minutes now because it's this news stuff. So let's see. I knew it was about to drop. Oh, I knew it. I said it's about to drop. As soon as news come out. It's some buyers down at 651. So maybe I can get in this sale now. But it's like right in the golden level, so I don't know. You might want to go back up now because it dropped. They may want to clear this up. Buyers at 651. Like I could have gotten that, but I just knew it was about to drop. But I didn't have none of my take profits and stuff set up, so I didn't want to do it because I'm learning this stupid thing over here. So where the buyers is at 787 now. I mean the sellers is at 787 now. So let's see. I came back up to this trend line and drop. I want to get in, but I don't know. Especially with NQ be doing the dumbest stuff. $7.45 is some sales there. I feel like I should be able to get a sale. Come on, come on, come on. It was just at 400. Like, go back. That's because I need to have a take profit. Stop loss from here. Shit, let's get out. I would have 800, but should just stayed in. But I gotta figure out how to do. I mean, I did kind of figure out how to do this take profit and stop loss, but I don't know how to do it as fast as I should know. So I don't
Do
know.
you use the morning? Do
Good
you
morning.
use the
Sorry, I was about
sorry.
talking to me.
Sorry. Do you use the order ticket? Oh,
So,
sorry, that's my secret.
no, this is the dome. I had saw the order ticket and I was gonna try to use it, but I couldn't find out how to put stop loss and take profit on the order ticket. So I did figure out because I watched the video how to do a take profit and stop loss on here, but it's like first you have to buy or sell, and then if you want to do a take profit, if you do a sale, then you have to go over here and I have this paper. I have it written down. That's one reason why I'm like, because I have to look at the paper. You have to go over here and do a left click for TP in the green below the price at the price where you want it, the number you want it. And then you do a right click over here in this area for the stop loss above where you got in. Look at that, just going. I shake that in that. But
Oh, gotcha. Okay,
so
yeah, I've
it
never
gets
used
a
it then.
little confusing when let me
Mhm.
see if it's gonna do like a little. Oh shoot. I wanted to so I wanted to so it's a little hard when you doing it in that way because I don't really know, like I know, but at the same time crap. Come on. NQ. Wait a minute. I gotta focus really quick. So it's too hard for me to do the stop loss and take profits because like I have to okay, where did I get in here at 672? I have to find 672. Where is 672? See, that's what I'm saying. I gotta find where I got in here. Oh crap. Come on, push it down, push it down, push it down. Now I done lost everything I had. Well, not really, but okay, come on, come on, come on, push down. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, just come on. No, come on, come on. I need to get so then you're supposed to do like a okay, I ended that. So then you're supposed to be like, so if I'm in here and I do a sale, then I couldn't find my order because I got in at 672, but I couldn't even find 672 because I'm so far up. Like I don't even know how I got so far up, and then I get frazzled. So I was practicing on my demo early this morning because it's the first time I ever used this. But now look at price, just go and drop it, drop it, drop it. But I only can get so much. I only can make so much anyway. But that was only 636. But anyway, so I I have to figure. I was practicing on my demo earlier, but it was like a little. So 227. What did I make on here? 636 on that one. Let's see. 768 there. So probably 768 on this one too. Yeah, 768. I was trying to make the 1500, today, but I'm not about to stretch it. I'm trying to use this stupid thing here. I'm trying to figure it out. It's kind of I'm gonna have to practice more today. So after I get finished trading, I'm gonna definitely practice. I actually can log out of this and go on demo and practice it now because I'm not really
I'm gonna have
trying.
to play around with the profit on the Dom thing that you're doing.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That was excellent trade. Could have been. Look at that. You should hit that and reject though. That was a great. And it had this little rejection right here that rejected off of the lower. I think this is the 0. Let's see. I'm on 15-second chart, so I have it spread out for you. Yeah, the zero rejected off that zero perfectly, and went up. So that means it cleared out the lows, London, Asian, all the lows, pre-market lows. That was a perfect rejection and a perfect trade to get into. And now it's at the 382. We could reject from here and come back down. But it may want to go up to the 618 level. So I mean, could take a quick, but I think I done missed it. I really think I missed it. Because I'm at the 50% level and I should have not got in at the 50% level. But all right, I'm out. So sometimes the 50% level is a major like rejection level, but then sometimes it wants to get to the 618 because 618 is really the golden level, and it's like a 15-second order block right here. That's what it kind of started to reject off of, this 15-second order block. So I only really use fib levels, not only, but that is what I use mostly. But I do look for stuff like this because you see it rejected. Even though it's only a 15-second, people won't be on a 15-second chart, so they won't know like why is it rejected right there. But it's literally using this 15-second order block because price came down so much after this little 15-second up candle, and then price just dropped so much that is a good order block or supply. Supply level to use. People call it supply, but some people call it supply. So, and because it's 15-second, you would use the whole thing, and you see it hit it once, hit it twice, and then fell down back to this 382 level. And then it should come back up because it definitely wants to hit this 618 level. But and Q gonna play around and act crazy. So what did I? So I made 897 on here, so I at least made 1,000 on my other one. Let's see. Margin 897. Whatever I'm done, yeah, because I was down lower on this, so that's cool. That's really all I'm trying to make the day anyway. So I'm gonna log out of this, and I'm gonna move it to my demo. I'm gonna log into my demo so I could play around with that dome and see what happens without being nervous about messing up my challenge, because I don't want to mess up my challenge with that, trying to learn how to use that stupid thing. But the reason I'm using that is because when I see the Tradeovate chart, like the actual chart and those candlesticks, it be keeping me unfocused because I'm supposed to be looking at Tradeovate chart, looking at TradingView chart because that's the chart I mark up, not Tradeovate. But when it comes down to it, I'll be looking at, you see it hit that level again and reject it and coming down. I'm supposed to be looking at TradingView chart because that's where I have my analysis and everything marked up. But I'll be looking at Tradeovate's chart because the way the candlesticks move on there just be having me mesmerized. So let's see. I'm gonna log into my live account, but I'm not the actual live. I'm gonna log into the demo on my live account. And let's see. And then I'm gonna log into my live account on here. Demo. Close that. Guess I can look at my dashboard. Let's see what happened here. Sync. Okay, let me log in here to my other account. So I could practice that down. I had reset my account and only put like $1,000 in here to try to trade with $1,000. So I have like a couple thousand more. All right, so this is how you do it. So is it gonna reject from there again, or is it gonna go through it this time? I think it's gonna go through it this time. So I'm gonna buy here. Okay. And then where did I buy? That's 726. So where's 726? Okay, so I bought here at 726. Now to make a stop loss, you have to go over to the sell side and put a stop loss where you want it. I would say, so stop loss is right click. Okay. All right, good. Okay. I'm doing that right. Okay. Now take profit is, so now I got to go find where I got in again. 726 right here. Oh man, it took me out before I could even do a TP. I was trying to do a TP so I can show y'all, but look, it's right at that level. That's why. Because it's at 618 here. And then over here on ES, it's at that 786 level. So it's rejecting because it's ES finally got up to an area to reject, which is the 786 level. So that's why I like to watch ES and NQ. I'm supposed to just be trading ES for real, but I love NQ because I don't know, I know I probably told y'all, I just traded it and watched it for so many months. It's like I just know how it trades. Like, but I'm trying to learn ES's movements because ES is more respectful to levels. Like it's not going to ES is not going to wick you out so much on your stop losses and take profits before it goes in your direction. It's gonna do a little bit of a wick, but not as much. Like say if you got into a trade over here and you thinking it's gonna go down. Like you think it's gonna go down because this starting to go down. Or I mean, this is starting to wick out. Like in Q, before it starts to go down, it will wick all the way up here and then come down. Yes, not doing that. You could have like a 3-point stop loss on ES, which is like 15 ticks or about 15 ticks and be good. And that's only if it's one contract, $187 loss. Two contracts, it's like 375, I think. So it's like your stop losses can be really small and you can profit. But it also, the moves is not that big. It's only maybe going to do like 25, 30 ticks. So it's like you want to have more contracts because the moves aren't as big. But yeah, I don't know.
NQ be super disrespectful, and it be moving too fast.
Yes. So disrespectful.
NQ be moving fast as hell. It be like,
Yeah.
gotcha, bitch. Just kidding.
Yeah. I'm telling you for real, like, I don't even know how I got so obsessed with it because I was so scared of it at first. When I first started trading, I was so scared, like, oh no, why is this thing moving like this? But then my dysfunctional personality started liking it. So I was like, oh yeah, it's moving crazy, but it's also giving me in 1 minute 200 ticks. Oh, it's like,
Yeah,
yeah,
NQ will make you some money. It'll
yeah,
snatch your money too, but
it
it'll make
will.
you some money.
It will snatch it so quickly. So that's why I'm supposed to really only be trading ES. But sometimes when I see NQ and I know it's getting ready to do something major and I could catch it, then I will. But I really need to just stick to my ES and stop playing. So, because I ain't taking no trades on ES today, and it was given. It gave a lot.
When it's getting in
Look, it
moves, a
hit.
little
Yes, because look at this.
yeah.
It hit the right here. I wasn't even looking though, because I was over there on NQ. Gave 55 ticks, which is a lot. 13 points. It hit this and came down. Even if you was like, okay, this little candle right here rejected here, so you're like, oh, it's about to go down. Even though it's went back up, if you got in it, right, say here, because you like, all right, I'm waiting for this next 15-second candle, whatever. So you get in it, it only gonna go up. Look at that. 3 ticks, which is 0.75 points. So I'm gonna have at least a 15 tick stop loss anyway, right here. I always have 15 ticks. So I would have been fine. But this same stuff, let me show you over here on ES. I'm guaranteeing. What time was this at? 10:03. That same stuff over here is gonna be some crazy stuff. So right here is 10:02. Okay, so it didn't do too much wick over here, but because it came down pretty well. But like in ES and NQ, like it just the wicking is just too much. Cause what time was this at? 10:01. That same wick, but this wick probably like 100 ticks, and that one over there probably like 10. 56 ticks. And let's see. How many is this? 12. See? With you out is only 12 ticks right there. My stop losses is always 15. It's just a lot. I try to do only 50 tick stop losses over here, but really that's short because you really need 100 or more for ES to have, NQ to have a good stop loss. See, it's back up here at the 786 level. Rejecting. NQ is now using this as was now using this as support when it was using it as resistance. What are they doing over there? Why is police bothering that? I be so nosy. I'm not like I'm the neighborhood watch. Oh shoot! What are they talking about here? I had to get my 42-inch screen, especially now since I put this over here, because I need my screens bigger. I like big screen. I like it when my screen is big. Oh yeah, let me go into ES because I want to trade some ES on my practice and focus on that. Move NQ on over. Let me see what ES want to do. So it's on the upside of the 618. So it should want to go ahead and go up and knock these equal highs out. Let's see what Bookmap is saying ES want to do. Oh, they have a lot of sell orders right here though. ES does. So this is so it's a lot of sell orders at 5992. Where's 5992? Right. Oh, right there where that's 780. That's why it keeps falling. That's right where the 782 is. And 5995. But right here, 5987 is a lot of buys. So it's trying to push it up. Where was 87? Right there. So it pushed us. Yep. 87 is right where this wick to this 5-second candle is. So that's 87 right there. So it hit that 87 right here. 87, it was all those buys and then shot up. So that's why I've been having this open so I can see what the orders are doing. But it is so many sell orders, so it should want to. Sell orders are all right here. A bunch of them. It's still all those sell orders sitting at 6,000 too. That 200 of them that nobody that the price still haven't went up there and did anything. I feel like it definitely wants to do some buys. So let me see if I can figure out how to do my stop. Okay, so I want to put, so then I will put it on the sell side, and I would right click for stops. Okay, there we go. And then I would left click for take profit. All right, okay. See, I'm not as nervous when I'm doing it here, but I need to have at least 15 tick stop loss though. Okay, come on. Oh, come on, don't do that. I don't know what my stop loss is. How many ticks I'm away from the price. Oh, only 3. That's the problem. I need to be way more than 3. Okay, so pull it down some. Okay. Okay. There we go. I'm learning this little stupid dome thing. Okay, come on. It's a bunch of sell orders at 5995, so I want to make sure I'm below that. Okay, so now I want to bring my stop up. So where is my stop? Okay. Put my stop right there. Okay. Come on. I want to be like in profit though. Where is my, I don't even know where nothing is now. Oh, it knocked me out. Okay. So that's why. Okay. Now they said to remember to, if you have a sell stop, make sure you exit out, because otherwise it'll stay there all day and then it'll invoke an order, initiate an order. Okay. So that was good. I did that. Okay. But it's like too much trying to figure out though. That's the thing. Especially when I'm in a trade, when I'm trying to be like, okay, what, right click, left click, I just got to get used to doing it so it'll become easy. Because for one thing, when I'm on the chart, I see those candlesticks and it's giving me chart vibes. And another thing is you can't even put a stop loss. I knew it wanted to come up and knock these out right here. You can't even put a stop loss. I mean, you can, but I can't even figure out how to do it on the chart. So, but I want this to be a chart. Oh, I can make this like in two. Okay. Like that, yes. Okay. And this one in two. All right. I mean, it's all these equal highs. Price definitely should want to clear this up. Although it's sitting here and falling down, that's just probably just gonna come to this 15-second order block right here. We go up. CES stopped right here before it hit the top of the level because NQ hit the level. See, I analyze the charts very well. It's not analyzing that's my problem. I have really bad trading psychology. I overtrade a lot. I've been doing better with it, but and I'll revenge trade in a minute. Oh, I lost $50. I need to get that back and start acting crazy. So yes, sure, I overtrade a lot, and I'm trying to stop. And I've been doing really good. I finally like had a whole full 2 weeks. I talked about it on my video yesterday. I had a full 2 weeks of not overtrading. And that was literally the longest. I always start over. I'll like do good 3, 4, 5 days. Then I'll start just overtrading the 6th day or overtrading the 4th day. And then lose money and have to like really stop myself in the midst of it when I noticed that I'm acting crazy. So with the over trading, but I hadn't done it in 2, 3. It was like 2.5 weeks. I didn't overtrade for 2.5 weeks straight. Girl, I was like, God, you cured me. Like, I don't have to overtrade anymore. Like, I haven't overtraded in over 2 weeks, and that's the longest I ever have. Let me see. This is why I've been struggling to keep credit. Yep. Yep. So that be me too. Plus, when you get in a funded account, your psychology really like changes because you feel like it's so much on the line. Because when I get in my funded accounts, I feel like I don't trade as good as I do when I'm in a combine or a challenge or whatever. When I'm in my evaluations or combines or whatever you in, like I trade. I mean, of course I still be a little nervous. Everybody's nervous. Institutional traders that have been trading 40 years say they still get nervous when they place trades. They said there's nothing wrong with that. But look at that. That's good. Price action right there on this 15-second chart. Good price action. But when you get in your PA, you just get to acting crazy. It's just nothing you could do. It's just, I mean, it is stuff you could do. I'm not gonna say it's nothing you could do, but you do tend to freak out a little bit more and make poorer decisions, I would say. That was good. Um, coming to hitting in this little zone and then popping out, and it should go pretty far because at least to 6,000 because there's still those orders sitting up there at 6,000. If we get up to 6,000 finally, I'm gonna go ahead and take a sell, even though I'm on my demo. I'm gonna take a sell because them sales been sitting up there at 6,000. Now it's like 281. It was 200 at like 9:30. And that's the thing. You gotta wait for these. You really gotta wait for these trades. That patience. I can show like how to show strategies. I'm very good with strategies, but nobody can really teach anybody how to trade. First of all, you have to learn how to trade on your own. But you just really need to learn strategies, and that was with me. I didn't learn a strategy because I taught myself how to trade, and I didn't even know you needed a strategy. YouTube should tell you that when you first say how to learn how to trade. The first thing you should say is find a strategy. But anyway, um, so but my risk management, I'm getting better at. That is the key for real to success. But the only thing is, I have a good risk management plan, but sometimes I will because on Tradeovate over here, you can set right here. I always do set this on my accounts. Your risk management. This is one of my accounts. You can set it for like, say you don't want to lose more than $500 a day, and then just save it. Um, oh well, I already lost $500 on this demo thing, so I don't want to do that. But so you can set your own risk daily loss, and I do that. I set daily loss limits on my demo. I mean, on my accounts, and I set them on my combines, my evaluations, and my funded accounts. But the thing is, once I set it, my problem is I'll go in and remove what I set. Like if I set it for 700 and then I hit 700, I'm going to go in there and remove it. So I can try to make the money back, that the $700 that I lost, instead of just saying, okay, I lost my 700 for the day. But most times I get it back plus more. But sometimes if I'm not in the right mind frame and I'm like really on some revenge trading, I might not get it back. I'll just lose more. And it's just like you have to learn how to just take your losses and go. When I get too nervous in the market, I will trade on MES or MNQ. Yeah, I trade on MES or MNQ when I'm in like my live account. But as you can see right now, I don't have any money in my live account, but I did have money in there, and I was trading on MES and MNQ, and then I profited. I was doing a small account challenge. I put like $200 in there, and I had got up to like 1,000, and then I once I did that, I just got the money, and then I haven't put any more in there because then I started back trading prop firms again because I was just so used to bigger amounts, and it took when you just only able to get $100 a day. You put 200 in, and you only get $100 a day. That kind of is like, I'd rather not. I'd rather go back to prop firms for now until I could put like $5,000 in my account and be cool and not care if I lose it. Let's see. Price should at least go up here for and Q needs to go. Probably wants to go up here. Oh yeah, I still trying to wait for ES to get up here to these sellers. So I'm gonna stay on these. I'm waiting for them to get to that sale. Then with Top Step, I would trade MNQ or MES, but Top Step, unless you use Top Step X, you only can trade like 2 contracts on the two micros if you use Tradeovate and TradingView to trade. Top Step X, you could use like 50 or some micros, up to like 50, 60 micros or something if you use their platform, which is shady because every other prop firm lets you use evens out the micros to the minis, no matter what platform you use. And then Top Step act like they can't do it. What's that, Wednesday? Yeah. So it's like, there's no point in doing it at that point, at that time, because I'm not trading 2 micros. That's gonna be no money at all. May come back down in here and reject and then go up to this because prices definitely needs to break this and get to those sellers up there. I don't know why it's playing crazy, but people keep on putting orders, sell orders. It's 100 sell orders now at 5996, which was right here. And that's why that's coming down at 5996. Somebody put 100 orders there. Why don't they just let it get up to 200? I mean, 6,000, where all those orders are sitting. That's stupid. What allegations are killing me? Oh, look at that. I mean, and that is a perfect place for a rejection. That was a good rejection candle too, but it's only like what 20. What did you get? No, it's going, still going. 120. I thought I was about to take a trade on this too, but now it's at this 618 level. It should reject back up. That was a good trade. So does anybody have any questions or anything or uh anything to type it in the chat or come off mute if you want. Yeah, I revenge trade. I don't revenge trade real bad though, Nikki, but I do revenge trade. My main thing is like over trading and like I could be profit like $1,000 or like up 2,000, up 3,000. Then my thing is like, oh well, if I just got 2,000, I could get 2,000 more. Why not? and then I'll go in and overtrade, but I won't be paying attention too much to my setups at that point. It should come up to here and reject off of here as a resistance now. At that point, after I done got it, I'm too confident in myself. So then I'm like, all right, well, now I could just press buttons and not even have a analysis anymore. That's what my mind thinks, I guess. 594 have a lot of sell orders, and that's right here at this level, the top of this level. I guess it's not gonna get up to 6,000 where those orders are till later on, probably like in the PM session. I likely have a headache. So at 5994, if it reject from there, I'm gonna just go ahead and take sale. So I did. It rejected, all right. Now I need to figure out, okay, so I took the sale. So now you have to put a stop loss in, and the stop loss gonna be a right click. Okay. And then a take profit, I'm gonna put at 87 or 85, that's gonna be a left click. All right, okay, I'm doing it. But I should have put that up a little bit more. And then I would have been out of there a little bit more. And then I want to move my stop down, but where is it at? 5993? Okay. 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 I want to make it risk free, so I should put it like right where that is. Okay, one more underneath. Okay, here we go. Look at me getting this. All right, come on. Move it down some more. Okay, leave it there. And let's see what happens. I think I'm about to get knocked out. Someone. So this is just like a flush down. Okay, so I got, all right, so that working. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm learning how to do this. But it's just like too much. I need some water. So price gonna always do what they call like expansion or distribution. Then it's gonna accumulate, consolidate, whatever you want to call it, and then it's gonna do another expansion leg. So see how it shot down, and then it came up and did like this accumulation, consolidation thing, and then it goes down. And it's easy to spot that on like a 15-second chart. But yeah. Or even probably like a 1 minute chart. You can spot that. Like how it came down here and then did a little consolidation, came down again. Yep. Let's see. I am at this level again that it should go up. I didn't even pay attention to that over ES on this level. Should wait to break the level for real. Where I don't mess that up. Was that 723? You know that. I didn't even notice that ES was at this level 618 because I was looking at NQ, which is annoying. I'm in my demo, but still, I don't like taking bad trades in my demo. And I don't have a stop on here because this is when I'm like, okay, now where do I put my stop? How do I put my stop? I should come back down now. I would have a 56 stop anyway. 713. So I need to put a TP and a stop loss. So if I got a sell, then I have to put a TP here, which is the left leg. How far is that? Too close. That was too close. I didn't even get a chance to put a stop loss. Yeah. Because Top Step won't let you do bracket orders in on your trader page. But every other place does. Trade, Take Profit, Apex, all of them. You could do bracket orders. That's why I'm trying to learn is Dome because Top Step won't let you do bracket orders because you could do a bracket order, which is down. Wait, see. Oh, I don't have to do that. It's right here. I could do bracket orders. It's right here. One CP 50 150 say. I could do that. Let's see. I think just to kind of show. See, it sets it up. But you can't do that on Top Step where my combines are. Top Step it give you a error that says no bracket orders. And I'm like, why? I have these ATMs set up on all my accounts. It never was a problem before. Oh, let me get out of this. I was just trying to show something, and then I'm doing the most. But so yeah, so it's like it won't let you put bracket orders in. I don't know why they have that blocked. But my Take Profit Trader, I could do a bracket order. My Apex, I could do a bracket order. Those only other people I ever use. And Top Step won't let you do bracket orders. So it's like you got to try to figure out extra stuff. I thought Top Step was like the number one place that's supposed to be trying to help traders, but they blocking everything. So I don't know. I don't think they're very helpful. The price is reacting to these levels pretty well. It's coming down to the 618 and it's rejecting as it should. Rejecting as it should reject. Maybe coming to us again. Still using this little 30-second order block, huh? I mean, 15-second order block on ES. Still using that, huh? 5994 is some more sell orders up there. And that's all right here. Hasn't even got up to there. Oh, why? But I feel like not under the weather. Not like sick, but it didn't even go all the way up to 5994. Pushing it down before it even, but it is some orders that 5993 too. 5993 and 4 before have way more. Yeah, I wanna see. Look at that one. That one to YouTube. Two contracts. One at 20, one at 40. So let's see. Oh, yeah. See, this one is set up right. So one is to take profit at 20 and one is to take profit at 40. And it should have a trailing. Does it have a trailing stop with it? And T and the what is the take profit stop loss is 20. Does it finally want to break that level or no? Make one on can I get a 20? At least 20? It's not trailing stop. No, it's just a stop. I want a trailing stop. Auto break even and auto trail. So auto break even after 15 ticks. 5, yep. And then trail after 25. See. Let's see if that works out. So once it gets to 15 ticks, it should start trailing. But it can't even get past 5 ticks. That 618 level is holding. Come on, Bears. Sit down. Once you get to 15 ticks, I want to see it. My stop loss come in profit. Y'all could give me some reprieve, but it is some bulls right here trying to push it up at 5987. That's exactly where they are. Where price is 5987. Some bulls right there, but the bears is trying to push it back down at 5989. But the bulls is pushing it up. Don't let them win over on here. Well, we'll see what happens. These are a lot of bullish candles at the bottom here. I just keep hitting this area. I got 618 area and going. But look like boys pushed it up. The bear's trying to take over them. this order block. On this the order book or book map. See what happens. New 5 minute candle done came. Price can't get down for nothing. Come on. Come on. Family candle, you made the top weight, so let's go. Down. Look, bears now. You want to clean all this up. Look at all these wicks down here. You don't want to leave that like that. Thank you. Going up here. See, I don't like being in trades long like this. This is why I don't trade after, try not to trade after 10:30 because price really be moving so stupid. Like, no flushes, no real moves fast. Just like a little back and forth. I don't like back and forth price action. So this could be a accumulation to continue up because it went up accumulation and it is getting higher and higher indecisive candles. So it could be because NQ done went pretty far. So but now NQ is at a rejection feeling. I should have gotten NQ long instead of trying to be in this DS. This DS don't know what they want to do. About 14 thick area with them holding ES, keeping ES in the chokehold. Look like they wanna, I guess, come to my little thing, reject right off. Now I have all these highs up here, so I wanna knock out before I decide to come down for sure. So, thank you, listeners. Well, we did that, like I said, that expansion. And then I thought it was going to come down here. It's got so many orders trying to push it down. What's that, 5994? Is where the orders are. Might be going up there, and that's exactly where my stop loss is. But I don't want to move my stop loss. But I know it's about to knock my stop loss out. Because that's where the sell orders are. I want to move it though, because I don't want to break that line. Don't let me move it anyway. I have to move it over here. That's crazy. And it definitely showed that this was the W to take price up. That was a horrible trade. Horrible. Let's look at that. Of course, it was going up. The W right there. Double bottom. Why is my phone making noise? I don't have readers on. Double bottom. I'm not really, just so y'all know, I'm not really like analyzing. I'm really just trying to learn how to use this dome. So please do not be taking no trades that I'm taking right now, because the trades that I really was focused on was the trades that I did on my combines and stuff when we were on that. And I got off of that. And I hope y'all recall me saying I'm just gonna practice these domes, because these trades I'm taking are all over the place. Just looking at stuff. I'm not even really following my analyzations at all, because I literally have this here, as in once price comes to here, it's gonna shoot up, and then price came here and shut up, and I didn't even take that trade because I'm just doing some other stuff over here. Maybe price finally want to come up here. Still 260 sell orders sitting up there. Maybe to finally get up there. Let's see what NQ if it has any sell orders. Not really. At 21,815, you have sell order for 21,815. That's up here. You feel hungry. Now I'm gonna eat this early. So I was looking at this 15-second chart. I wasn't looking at my 5-minute chart. That's why I put my 5-minute chart over here, because I want to focus more on this 5-minute and just confirmation from 15-second chart. I'm really pay attention there. So price should trying to react to here and go up. It should be trying to get up to the sellers up there, and NQ should be trying to get up finally to break this and get up here to those sellers. That's 22 ticks. If you can get up above that, just playing around. Because it is still a lot of sellers at 5997 too. I don't know why they keep putting these sellers at 5996 and 7 when there's so many at 6,000 that I need to get to. Just put your orders at 6,000 and relax. 14 seconds left in this 5-minute candle, so All right, new 5 minute candle. See what it does. This is the order block now. Price gonna come back to it. Where did it go? See about yes. There's the order block right there. Price might be coming back to that. And then go up from there. I was gonna go 100. And see, yes, it's at this level right now. That's a rejection level. And NQ probably gonna reject at that level. So we're not getting at 772. And my stop is at 760. I want to move my stop up. Okay, my stop is here. I want to move it up. Yeah, no higher than that. It's not moving up anywhere. Moving my stop up too much, it's priceless. Once it starts seeing you moving your stop too much, that's when it starts coming for it. You'll stop, especially on NQ. Let's see, what is the S going up here? Rejecting or, yep, see? And then ES is getting pushed down. The 264. I really only trying to get like it's finally getting over here over to the BOS line. Rejecting off of it though. ES is showing out right here, coming back down. That 5 minutes is 1 more minute and that 5 minute candle over here. It came into that BS, but it didn't really do much up there. And it's a lot of rejection going on up here. So let's price can get past this. It's about to turn around. See, it's too much rejection. It's a lot of rejection here too, but it's at this level for ES. So that makes that even more of a key rejection area. I don't like back and forth price movement though. I say that a lot because I don't. Like I just like when it just start flushing. Like it's at a level and it just starts to flush. At 5998 it's a lot of by sell orders though on ES, so maybe it'll get up to there and I don't know. But it's like doing a lot of falling down. So I'm at 10 now. I just was at like 300. That's ridiculous. That's a 1 minute order block right there. I've been just going to that, but like just go up there and get those orders. Now I need to move my stop. 21,764. Where is that? I want it to be at like 72. Break even. Okay. So now it's a risk-free trade. So see if it can get up. I'm at 350. I really can just. I'm on a 15-second chart. I should have just. Now I'm all the way at 1. I want to come and knock one stop out. Just go ahead and go up. Like, come on. It's ridiculous. I want to reset this level again. The 11, 12. Yeah, I'm tired of trading. Even though I'm not really trading, I'm playing, but it's giving me a headache at this point. Because it's like these stupid levels where the sellers are and price is like playing around to get to them. Like, I don't understand that. Usually, price be happy to get up to them levels. This level's so red. Look at this. This ES 600. These been sitting up there forever. And that's pushing it up. It's 120 buy orders, 97, 108. So like it's trying to push it up to this level. You see how red this level is? But price is like playing around. See, NQ the same thing. 795. That's it ain't changed. 795 is right here. But it had a whole bunch of orders up here at it's still some up there, but 815. So but yeah, it's like what are y'all doing? Just go up there, get the orders, and let's move on. They saving those orders for the PM session, I guess. Because when you really look at price, if you look at it on like a 1 minute chart, it's just been in between these levels for a while, for an hour. So it came up here at 10:15 and it's 11:15. So it's just been back and forth in this level. Like just back and forth. for an hour. Like that's so stupid. And only fixes that on the back and forth. Yeah. Like 30, 40, between 30 and 40 ticks. Which is cool for ES 30, 40 ticks if you have two contracts. It's about $1,000. So you could have made 1,000 down, 1,000 up. I was really paying attention if we probably did that, but I've been waiting for it to get up here and it's not going up there. Now these last 15 minutes, it's just been playing around right here. It's just early again. And that could be a good sell. Banana 8, banana 7, and banana 6. That's where all the sell orders are. But 9-3 is where the buys are. Some water. Go get some water. Oh, dang. That's the one I left. I said I was going to take a trade of it. Rejected from that level again. But I was in the other room in the kitchen getting some water. Start wearing my clothes. You know, over here looking nice. This would have been goodbye. See what happens. Oh, I'm on my ATM, so that's good. Am I on the right ATM? Yeah, yeah. Came down to this box again here and rejected. I'm a little late on the rejection though. But let's see. We're a lot late on the rejection. I should have maybe ready to go down now that I've and I got in at the end of a 5-minute candle. I should have waited till the 5-minute candle was over. That was the impulsive trade. I don't like that. It's just at this level of 15-second rejection level, but we may be trying to go back down now. And this is a new candle, and these have been going down, down. They have been pretty bearish, these candles, but this is kind of a bullish candle right here. Seem like is this a head and shoulder or something? This was support. I mean, it was support, then it was resistance, then it was support. Is it still ready to be support, or does it want to be resistance? But it's 100 sell orders at 5996. Oh, that's up here. So it may want to come back up to there. You don't know. It's just price not doing nothing. Literally. But the sellers are trying to push it up, but the buyers trying to push it up. I mean, the buyers are trying to push it up. So. But I don't know. Look at that. Nah, the stem broke. And man, these buyers and sellers are fighting. It's like, look at this. Sellers 75. Sellers 80. Buyers 79. 105. 106. Like they are fighting each other on here. Like they are literally fighting. Sell 64. Buy 68. They are fighting for their life on here. Oh, somebody's at my door, so I have to get off of here. Like, everyone, stop recording. Sorry, I gotta go, y'all. 1 second. Sorry, guys, gotta go. 1 second, coming. I had to get off because I probably shouldn't get in no trades here. Oh, and I'm on NQ. I definitely should not be on NQ. Let's see what happens. Sometimes the borders are 20,000 usually fine. So that gets down to, when they the full day, will they ship or it's probably this month. What's that actually? We did it to the same. I have this here. For the money that we did. And then we have four guys who's given seven, which could sell 70% Asian. Like that's the thing we have. If that picture, the sort of line of those, you guys need to know that that's. They barely have anything. Well, maybe we should do that. 3. That's what I'm talking about. The size of it, if you need to probably go to sell its place, you have to better keep it at them. They see how they go, only as a certain because there's going to be very lot of something. Come on. Come on. Come on. Shoot. Oh, get out this. Everything, get out. Oh my goodness. I couldn't even get myself out the trade. Oh my goodness. I went in to take another little trade, but I couldn't even get myself out the trade. I was starting to have a nervous breakdown. Okay. Let's see. 1275. So if that's 1275, then this is gonna be 1275 too. And this 227 is 1143. I had to get off my original one because somebody's at my door. Jeez, very random. But okay, so now I'm gonna put both of these, see if I could put them together. I did. I went back. So when I was on my oh, that's why you didn't get to see it on here because I forgot I didn't log in here on my I didn't log into my account on TradingView because I was paper trading on TradingView because I had logged out of my combine accounts. But then when I saw this drop, I'm like, let me just go ahead and get in this drop. And so I went ahead and got in, logged into my combines and got in for a couple $100 more, which was good. I was only at like $700, but I couldn't get myself out the trade. My hand was like on some shady stuff because that's why I don't like getting in trades on here. I don't like it. Okay. Anyway, I'm logging out on here because I was too shaky for that. That's ridiculous. And I'm logging out of all of this. So and stop recording and figuring out how to add both of these on the recording. I had to get off because I probably shouldn't get in no trades here. Oh, and I'm on NQ. I definitely should not be on NQ. See what happens.
Sometimes the buildings are completely down, which is usually fine. So that gets down to, when they have over there, will they ship or it's
Probably this month.
That's not working. So,
What's that actually? See what happens here.
putting in money, and then we have four guys who's doing the seven, which could sell 70% nation. Like, that's the thing we have. If that picture, with the sort of line of those, the guys need to know about that's.
They barely have anything. Well, maybe we should do that. Three. That's what I'm talking about.
The size of it, so that you know, we're going to be, if you need to over for probably going to be sell its price, you have to get a few with them. They see how they go, only as a certain people. Because things going to be very up.
Come on. Come on.
It's taking the you could have your video, that's what you're going to
Come on.
the other changes them, they're really going to fix it. It's all things not good.
Shoot. Oh, get out this. Everything, get out. Oh my goodness. I couldn't even get myself out the trade. Oh my goodness. I went in to take another little trade, but I couldn't even get myself out the trade. I was starting to have a nervous breakdown. Okay. Let's see. 1275. So if that's 1275, and this is gonna be 1275 too. And this 227 is 1143. I had to get off my original one because somebody's at my door. Jeez, very random. But okay, so now I'm gonna put both of these, see if I could put them together. I did, I went back. So when I was on my oh, that's why you didn't get to see it on here, because I forgot I didn't log in here on my I didn't log into my account on TradingView because I was paper trading on TradingView because I had logged out of my combine accounts. But then when I saw this drop, I'm like, let me just go ahead and get in this drop. And so I went ahead and got in, logged into my combines and got in for a couple $100 more, which was good. I was owed like $700, but I couldn't get myself out the trade. My hand was like on some shady stuff because that's why I don't like getting in trades on here. I don't like it. Um, okay. Anyway, I'm logging out some here because I was too shaky for that. That's ridiculous. And I'm logging out of all of this. So, stop recording and figuring out how to add both of these on the recording.